The essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. In your textbook, take page number 166. Chapter 4, Combinatorics. It is used frequently in computer science to obtain formulas and estimates in the analysis of algorithms. The sum rule is for finding the probability of either of two events that cannot occur simultaneously. The product rule is for finding the probability of both of two events that are independent. Product rule in genetics. Product rule is very useful in genetics. We can use the product rule to predict frequencies of fertilization events. For instance, consider a cross between two heterozygous AA individuals. What are the odds of getting an two small a individuals? The only way to get an two small a individual is if the mother contributes an A gamete and the father contributes an A gamete. Each parent has a half chance of making an A gamete. Thus the chances of an AA offspring is probability of mother contributing into probability of father contributing A. Probability of mother contributing A is 1 by 2. Probability of father contributing A is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. In the last session, we have discussed sum rule and product rule. I hope you have completed the homework. In this session, we are going to work out problems in exercise 4.1. Question number 1. A person went to a restaurant for a dinner. In the menu card, the person saw 10 Indian and 7 Chinese food items. In how many ways the person can select either an Indian or a Chinese food? Here, the option is R. If we have option as R, then we need to add. If we have the option as AND, then we need to multiply. The person can select Indian food in 10 ways and Chinese food in 7 ways. By the sum rule, number of ways of selecting 10 Indian or 7 Chinese food is 10 plus 7, which is equal to 17 ways. 17 ways the person can select either an Indian or a Chinese food. First one, second subdivision. There are 3 types of toy car and 2 types of toy train available in a shop. Find the number of ways a baby can buy a toy car and a toy train. Here the option is AND. Previous problem we had OR option, then we need to add. Here we have AND option, then we need to multiply. Number of ways of buying a toy car from 3 types of car is 3. Number of ways of buying a toy train from 2 types of train is 2. By product rule, number of ways of buying a toy car and a toy train is 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. 6 ways he can buy a toy car and a toy train. Question number 3. How many 2-digit numbers can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetitions of digits? Okay. So, here we are using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the ones place can be filled up in 5 ways. The tens place can be filled up in by any one of the remaining 4 digits in 4 different ways. For example, the ones place I have selected the number as 5. Then I have remaining 4 digits. So, the tens place can be filled up in 4 ways. So, number of 2-digit numbers using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 4 into 5 equal to 20. Here the condition is without repetitions. So we have used 5 in the ones place. So we should not use the 5 in the tens place. Okay. Question number 2. A mobile phone has a passcode of 6 distinct digits. What is the maximum number of attempts one makes to retrieve the passcode? Here we need to use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since the passcode has 6 distinct digits, that is, the condition is repetition is not allowed. So, the first digit can be tried in 10 ways using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, the second digit can be tried in 9 ways. Third digit can be tried in 8 ways. Fourth digit can be tried in 7 ways. Fifth digit can be tried in 6 ways. And sixth digit can be tried in 5 ways. Therefore, maximum number of attempts equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, which is equal to 1,51,200. Question number 3. 4 children are running a race. In how many ways can the first 2 places be filled? Okay. The first place can be given to any one of the 4 children. Total number of children are 4. First place can be filled by any one of the 4 children, and the second place can be given to any one of the remaining 3 children. Okay. So, therefore, the first 2 places can be filled in 4 into 3 equal to 12 ways by the rule of product. Question number 4. Count the number of 3-digit numbers which can be formed from the digits 2, 4, 6, 8 if repetition of digit is allowed. Okay. So, here we are using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8. The unit place can be filled in 4 ways. Since repetition is allowed, the tens place and 100th place can also be filled in 4 ways each. Okay. Therefore, total number total number of 3 digit is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 is 64. Second subdivision, repetition of digit is not allowed. Same digit we are using 2, 4, 6, 8. Unit place can be filled in 4 ways. Since repetition of digit is not allowed, the tens place can be filled in 3 ways. Hundredths place can be filled in 2 ways. For example, now I have selected 8 for unit place. That 8 cannot be used in 10th and 100th place. So we have remaining 3 ways for 10th place. For 10th place, if I have selected 6, that 6 cannot be used. 6 and 8 cannot be used in 100th place. So we will have the remaining 2 digits. So 100th place can be filled in 2 ways. Therefore, total number of 3 digit equal to 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Let us boost our brain power with math puzzle. A, B, C, D, E into 4 is equal to E, D, C, B, A. If A, B, C, D and E represent different numbers and none of them is 0, then what numbers are they? Any guesses? Okay, there is a number in mathematics that when multiplied by 4, the opposite will appear. The number is 2, 1, 9, 7, 8. So A is 2, B is 1, C is 9, D is 7 and E is 8. So 2, 1, 9, 7, 8 into 4, which is equal to 2, 1, 9, 7, 8 into 4 is equal to 8 4s are 32, 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is 31, 9 4s are 36 plus 3 is 39, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So we got the answer as 8, 7, 9, 1, 2. This is the concept of this puzzle. Question number 5. How many 3-digit numbers are there with 3 in the unit place? First subdivision with the repetition. The given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fix 3. Fix 3 in the unit place. So the unit place can be filled in only one way using 3. Since repetition is allowed, the tens place can be filled in 10 ways using any one of the digits from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 100th place can be filled in 9 ways using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 excluding 0. Okay. So, total number of ways. Total number of ways. Number of ways equal to 9 into 10 into 1, which is nothing but 90. Second subdivision is without repetitions. Fix 3 in the unit place. The unit place can be filled in only one way using the digit 3. The 100th place can be filled in 8 ways using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 excluding 0 and 3, excluding 0 and 3. Okay, since repetition is not allowed, the 10th place can be filled in 8 ways. 10th place can be filled in 8 ways. So, total number of ways. Total number of ways is equal to 8 into 8 into 1. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 1 is 64. Question number 6. How many numbers are there between 100 and 500 with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? First subdivision, repetition of digit is allowed. Given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we are going to find the numbers between 100 and 500, it has 3 digits. Okay? Repetition of digit is allowed. The 100th place can be filled only by any one of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 ways. The 10th place can be filled by any one of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 6 ways. 0 and 5. 0 and 5 are included. The unit place can be filled by any one of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 ways. Since the repetition is allowed. Number of ways. Number of ways equal to 4 into 6 into 6. 4 into 6, 24 into 6 is 144 ways. Second subdivision, repetition of digit is not allowed. The 100th place can be filled only by any one of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 ways. Having filled the first place, 0 and 5 are not included in 100th place. The 10th place can be filled by any one of the remaining 5 digits in 5 ways. The unit place can be filled by any one of the remaining 4 digits in 4 ways. Therefore, number of ways is equal to 4 into 5 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 4 is 80. Question number 7. Count the numbers between 999 and 10,000 subject to the condition that there are, first one, no restriction. Okay. Given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since we need numbers between 999 and 10,000, it has only 4 digits. The thousands place can be filled in 9 ways, excluding 0. Since there is no restriction, 100th place, 10th place and unit place can be filled in 10 ways each using all the digits. So, 10 ways. So, the required number of 4 digit equal to 9 into 10 into 10 into 10. 9 into 10 is 90. 90 into 10 is 900. 900 into 10 is 9000. Second subdivision, no digit is repeated. 1000th place can be filled in 9 ways, excluding 0. Since repetition is not allowed, unit place can be filled in 9 ways, 10th place can be filled in 8 ways, and 100th place can be filled in 7 ways. Okay. Therefore, required number of 4 digit equal to 9 into 7 into 8 into 9, which is equal to 4536. Third subdivision is at least one of the digit is repeated, which is equal to total number of 4 digit number minus total number of 4 digit numbers when no digit is repeated. Total number of 4 digit number is 9000 minus 4536, which is equal to 4464. Today's session we have learned some exercise problems. Practice all the sums. Thank you.